Yep, hummingbirds snore. But why? Hummingbirds are nature's little speed demons, wings flapping up to 80 times per second. But what happens when all that energy runs out? When night falls or food is scarce, hummingbirds enter a state called torpor, a deep sleep that drops their heart rate, breathing, and body temp. And during torpor, they snore. Yep, scientists have recorded soft, rhythmic sounds as their tiny bodies recharge. It's not quite a bear's growl, but it's real. It's all about survival. Torpor helps hummingbirds conserve energy, because being adorable at high speed takes serious fuel. From aerial acrobatics to tiny snores, even the smallest birds have big surprises.